then how to write the condition statements, right? So if you find any difficulties in this fundamentals of C, right, then you can refer your PPS subject book, right? Now, uh, you have to create the file in such a way, write down your practical statement or problem statement, right? Then write down algorithm for that particular problem, right? Don't write directly program. First write down algorithm, right? Then write down analysis of that algorithm. Analysis of algorithm that will be teach by Kushal sir in upcoming lectures, right? So first write down your problem statement, then write down algorithm for that problem, then write down analysis of that algorithm, right? Then write down your C program and then screenshot of your output. Getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So આ રીતે તમારે ફાઇલ બનાવવાની છે. In file, each and every page, your footer should be your enrollment number, right? And try to complete your file, right, on the same day only. Suppose આજે આપણે જે પણ પ્રોગ્રામ કરીએ છીએ એની ફાઇલ આજે જ કમ્પ્લીટ, એ પ્રોગ્રામ આજે જ કમ્પ્લીટ કરી દો, right? અને સોફ્ટ કોપી જ મેન્ટેન કરવાની છે. So no need to take printouts, right? Maintain soft copy only, right? Okay. Then one more thing, in any practical, right, if you find any difficulties, right, then ask me or Kushal sir in the lab session only, right? Okay. So today I think Kushal sir covered the bubble shot, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So who will explain me the logic of bubble shot, because you learned the bubble shot in your PPS subject also and in your DS subject also, right? PPS and DS બંનેમાં આવી ગયું છે bubble shot, right? And it is the simplest shorting algorithm. So we're going to explain me the logic, basic logic of bubble shot. Chalo
Yes, ma'am.
फटाफट. Darshan, explain.
In this algorithm, ma'am, we follow the swapping method. We
Okay.
compare the first element with the second
Mm-hmm.
element. If we found
Okay.
that first element is greater than second, then we swap
Mm-hmm.
them both, and
Okay.
this will call first pass. And we
Okay.
follow, if elements are n, then we follow n minus one passes, and step by step by comparing, we swap the number.
Okay. So uh, next is meat. Meat, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Uh, Smith. No, Smith. No. Meat. Meat.
Okay.
Okay, meat. Why it is a simplest shorting algorithm? Okay. Okay. So yes, yes. Okay. So let us see one example. Okay. So let us just see one example. I think sir already discussed one example of bubble shot, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I will give you one example. Just wait. Let me join the meet from my laptop. Okay. Uh, Today don't write down the analysis part, right? Because analysis હજી તમારું બાકી છે. So today only you have to do the implementation of bubble shot in C. Okay. Okay, I'm taking the example directly from the internet. Okay. So consider this is your array, right, which you have to perform, on which way you have to perform the bubble shot, right? So bubble shot with very first two elements, that is 14 and 13, right? Then compare these first two elements, right, and check which one is greater, right? If your first element is greater than second element, then swap these two numbers. If your second element is greater than your first number, then your array, these two numbers are already sorted, right? So compare second and third element, right? So compare 33 and 27, right? Here 27 is less than 33, then we have to swap the two numbers, right? So 27 and 30, after swapping, our new array is look like this: 14, 27, 33, 35, and 10, right? Then next we have to compare 33 and 35, right? Both are at sorted position, so no need to perform swapping, right? Then compare 35 and 10. So 35 is greater than 10, so swap these two numbers, right? Now next, after one iteration, this is after one iteration, means after uh, sorting the whole array one time, right? Your array should look like this, right? Now perform the second iteration, right? In second iteration, 14 and 27 both are at sorted place. Then 27 and 33 both are at sorted place. Then next is 33 and 10. So 10 is less than 33. Then swap these two numbers. So after second iteration, your array should like this, right? You have to continue this procedure until you get the final completely sorted array, right? This is simple, already you know the logic. Now let us see the algorithm for the same, right? So this is the bubble sort algorithm, right? So bubble sort, then list means your array, right? For all element of list, if list of I is greater than list of I plus 1, it means first element, zeroth position element, consider I starts from 0, right? So zeroth position element is greater than first position, then perform swapping, otherwise not, right? And after performing all the iteration, return the sorted array, right? So this is the pseudo code for bubble sort, right? In that, first for loop for I is equals to 0 to n minus 1 or loop minus 1, right? And for j is equals to 0 to n minus 1, right? Then this is for swapping, right? So if list of j is greater than list of j plus 1, it means your first element is greater than suppose your second element, then perform swapping, right? If this condition is false, then no need to swap the elements, right? And check, if not swap, then break. Otherwise, continue the procedure until you get the sorted array, right? And you have to implement this algorithm in C language. Okay. Now bubble shot માં કોઈને issue છે? Because હું એવું consider કરું છું કે bubble shot already you know the logic of bubble shot, right? So એટલું deep માં નથી સમજાવતી. Just bubble shot માં શું કરવાનું છે? You have to take two loops, right? And in that second for loop, you have to write the logic of the swapping. Either you can take the temporary array and perform swapping, or either you can perform the swapping without using the third array, right? તમે temporary array લઈને પણ કરી શકો, otherwise તમે directly પણ કરી શકો. That depends on you, right? અને write down swapping logic, right? Then end of first for loop, end of second for loop, and perform this swapping until you get the final sorted array. Getting? કોઈને issue છે bubble shot માં?
No, ma'am.
ઓકે. સો હવે પ્રેક્ટિકલ રિલેટેડ બીજું કશું પૂછવું છે તમારે? ઓકે. One more thing. We consider the practical list which is provided by the GTU only, right? GTU નું જે list of experiments આપ્યું છે in your syllabus, we consider this as our practical list, right? So today we complete the bubble shot, right? અને થિયરીમાં તમારું જેમ ચાલશે, then we complete in next lab selection, insertion, merge and quick shot, right? So we follow this list provided by GTU only. Okay, so give title practical 1, implementation and time analysis of shorting algorithm in that bubble shot, right? Then write down algorithm of bubble shot. એનાલિસિસ માટે થોડી જગ્યા રવા દેજો, સર તમને કરાવશે પછી તમારે લખવાનું છે. Then write down C code for bubble shot and in output take screenshot of your C program output. Getting? ઓકે. અને પ્રેક્ટિકલ તમારે ક્યાં સબમિટ કરવાના છે એ બધું તમને ઇન્ફોર્મ કરવામાં આવશે, રાઈટ? We will make one classroom for EDS subject. In that we upload practical list. In that you have to submit your file, right? So એ ક્યારે કરવાનું છે, શું છે, તમને ઇન્ફોર્મ કરવામાં આવશે, right? Today just શું જો જો તમારે તમારે
મેમ ફાઇલ કેવી રીતે બનાવવી છે તે એક વખત જણાવી દો પાછું.
ઓકે, જો ફાઇલમાં તમારે શું કરવાનું છે, સોફ્ટ કોપી જ બનાવવાની છે, બરાબર? સો વર્ડ ફાઇલ જ બનાવવાની છે તમારે. વર્ડ ફાઇલમાં કેવી રીતે કરવાનું છે, હું તમને ઇન્ડેક્સ અને બધું તમને પ્રોવાઈડ કરીશ. એ તમારે ફર્સ્ટ પેજમાં અટેચ કરી દેવાનું, રાઈટ? એ અત્યારે તમે કન્સિડર નહીં કરો. અત્યારે જસ્ટ નાવ તમારે શું કરવાનું છે, ઉપર હેડિંગ આપવાનું પ્રેક્ટિકલ 1, રાઈટ? એન્ડ ટુડેઝ ડેટ. Practical 1, and at the right hand side topmost corner write down today's date. right? Then problem statement, right? In that, write down implementation and time analysis of shorting algorithms. Then subheading bubble short, right? Now write down algorithm of bubble short, right? Bubble short no algorithm already book માં પણ આપ્યો જ છે, right? You can refer these books for your ADA subject, right? Corman, Introduction to Algorithm, Thomas H. Corman. Then Horowitz and Sani, right? Bressarts and Britley. Corman છે આઈ થિંક તમને ઓનલાઈન મળી જશે, મીન્સ કે સોફ્ટ કોપી. અને હું પણ ટ્રાય કરું છું, જો મને મળી જાય તો હું તમને ક્લાસરૂમ પર આપી દઈશ, રાઈટ? સો આ કોઈ પણ બુકમાંથી તમે અલ્ગોરિધમ લખી શકો. અધરવાઇઝ તમારી ડીએસ ની બુકમાં હોય or તમારી પીપીએસ ની બુકમાં પણ અલ્ગોરિધમ હોય, then you can write down that algorithm, right? Then sorry, okay. So એ થઈ ગયું પ્રોબ્લેમ સ્ટેટમેન્ટ. દેન રાઇટ ડાઉન અલ્ગોરિધમ, રાઈટ? ઓર કુશલ સર તમને ક્લાસમાં કરાવે એ અલ્ગોરિધમ પણ તમે લખી શકો, રાઈટ? સો રાઇટ ડાઉન અલ્ગોરિધમ ફોર બબલ શોટ. દેન એની નીચે લખવાનું છે એનાલિસિસ ઓફ અલ્ગોરિધમ, જે હજી તમારે ક્લાસમાં કરાવવાનું બાકી છે. સો એના માટે થોડી જગ્યા છોડી દેજો, રાઈટ? થોડી જગ્યા મીન્સ 6 to 7 લાઇન્સ, રાઈટ? After analysis of algorithm, write down your C code, C program for bubble shot, right? અને એ પ્રોગ્રામ પતી જાય પછી સ્ક્રીનશોટ ઓફ યોર C program output, right? એટલે પહેલા તમારું પ્રોબ્લેમ સ્ટેટમેન્ટ, પછી અલ્ગોરિધમ, પછી એનાલિસિસ ઓફ અલ્ગોરિધમ, પછી પ્રોગ્રામ અને પછી એનું આઉટપુટ. બરાબર? હજી છે કઈ ઇશ્યુ?
નો મેમ.
Okay. And try to complete this program by today itself. રાઈટ? જેટલું તમે ડેઈલી મતલબ જ્યારે પણ લેબ હશે ત્યારે પ્રોગ્રામ કમ્પ્લીટ કરતા જશો તો પછી સારું પડશે, રાઈટ? બધું સાથે કરવું નહીં પડે. ઓકે, સો now attendance.